Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Makhuri. Here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. Study reveals young women endure menopause symptoms in silence. More than half of women ages 30 to 35 are already suffering moderate to severe symptoms associated with menopause, yet most women are waiting decades before seeking treatment, new research from UVA Health and the Flow Women's Health app reveals. The research sheds important light on perimenopause, the transition period leading to menopause. Many women in perimenopause assume they're too young to be suffering symptoms related to menopause, believing that symptoms won't appear until they reach their 50s. But this mistaken belief, the researchers say, only causes women to suffer in silence. The new study analyzes symptoms self-reported by more than 4,400 American women ages 30 and older who responded to a survey conducted online and in the Flow app. Among women 30 to 35, 55.4% reported symptoms that meet the criteria for moderate or severe on the widely used menopause rating scale. This number increased to 64.3% among women 36 to 40. Yet most women don't seek treatment for menopause symptoms until they are 56 or older. The researchers found that psychological symptoms such as anxiety, depression and irritability took hold long before physical symptoms. These symptoms reached their peak among women ages 41 to 45, then ebbed to their lowest in women ages 56 and over. Physical problems such as sexual problems, bladder issues, and vaginal dryness peaked in women 51 and older. These types of problems were lowest in women ages 30 to 35. Some of the symptoms most classically associated with menopause, such as hot flashes and sweating, peaked at ages 51 to 55 and were lowest among women 30 to 35. The researchers hope their results will help fill what they call an alarming gap in the understanding of perimenopause, improving care and support for women approaching menopause. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest update.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.